The country's so-called Islamic city, ironically, will not be celebrating Islam's most joyous occasion. Instead of festive gatherings, residents of Marawi will spend the weekend away from home, for many at evacuation camps and temporary shelters. There will be no overflowing food, fun music and dancing, or sharing of gifts, only mourning and suffering with no end in sight.
Ito ang pinaka malungkot na aid na maidadaraos namin. So kahit na malungkot, ang importante makapanalangin kami sa Diyos na talagang mawakasan na itong paghihirap ng mga Marawinian.
Idil Fitir comes a month after Marawi came under siege by radical Islamic militants. It remains unclear when the fighting will stop, but the military says it has made significant gains. For one, it foiled the so-called Grand Plan, militants setting up an Islamic caliphate and ruling over Marawi.
Hindi sila nagtagumpay. 92 barangays are already cleared. Okay? May semblance of governance na tumatayo na yung ating mga iba't ibang ahensya sa kanilang mga humanitarian activities.
While the Muslim world celebrates Idil Fitir, Marawi will be in deep reflection.
We're not only dealing with the mounting group in the Abu Sayyaf, we're also fighting a war against extremism.
Even when the crisis ends, Marawi will have to come to terms with why it happened in the first place. Did the city unwittingly allow violent radicalism to come in? Should Marawi take all the blame? Local officials say the militants exploited the deep-seated grievances of Moros over historical injustices against them. But they failed to get the full support of the people because officials insist Maranaos know better.
Ngayon ba ay kinukuha sa amin ang aming mga religion, kinukuha sa amin ang aming mga lupain, kinukuha sa amin, ginagahasa ba ang mga babae sa amin? Hindi naman eh.
With the fighting the increase of extremism, we also need to finally address the issue of moral problem, the moral question.
President Rodrigo Duterte is set to sign the draft bill of the Bangsamoro Basic Law next week. Bill proponents have long warned failure to pass the BBL could fuel extremism in Mindanao. It remains to be seen now if the new BBL can prevent another Marawi or if it's a deal that's too little, too late. In Marawi City, David Santos, CNN Philippines.